Welcome to this guide on advanced prompt engineering. Today, we are going to explore two fundamental concepts that will immediately improve how you interact with AI: zero-shot and few-shot learning. These techniques are the secret to getting consistent, high-quality results. First, let's clarify what we mean by prompting. It is not just about asking a question. Prompting is the art of designing your input to guide the artificial intelligence model. Think of it as programming in natural language. The better you structure your instructions, the better the model understands your intent. Let's start with zero-shot learning. This is likely what you use every day. In this method, you give the AI a task without providing any examples of how to do it. You are relying entirely on the AI's pre-trained knowledge to figure out the answer. For instance, simply asking it to classify a sentence. Here are some classic examples of zero-shot prompting. If you ask for a translation from English to Spanish or ask a trivia question like, "Who wrote Hamlet?" the model usually gets it right. This works perfectly for general knowledge tasks where the answer is factual and straightforward. However, zero-shot has limitations. If you need a very specific writing style, a complex data format, or nuanced decision-making, the model might guess wrong. Without examples, the AI defaults to its most generic training data, which might not match your specific needs. This is where few-shot learning comes in. Also known as in-context learning, this technique involves giving the model a few examples, or shots, of the task you want it to perform. You are essentially teaching the model the pattern you want it to follow right inside the prompt. Let's break down the structure. A few-shot prompt starts with an instruction. Then, you provide a few input-output pairs. For example, if you want to convert slang to formal English, you show the AI 3 examples of how you would do it. Finally, you provide the new input you want it to process. Let's compare the results. In a zero-shot attempt to classify a news title, the AI might give a generic label like business. But in a few-shot prompt, where you have defined specific categories like science, local, and economy through examples, the AI understands the specific context and gives you the precise label you wanted. To get the best results, follow these rules. 1. Use diverse examples to cover edge cases. 2. Ensure your examples use the exact format you want for the output. 3. Randomizing the order of examples can prevent bias. And 4, usually 3 to 5 examples are enough to significantly boost performance. So which should you use? Stick to zero-shot for quick, creative, or factual questions. Switch to few-shot when you need strict formatting, complex classification, or when you need the AI to mimic a specific style or logic pattern. Mastering the difference between asking and guiding is a major milestone in prompt engineering. Try adding just 3 examples to your next complex prompt and watch the accuracy soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.